you what needs to be done over here. Huh? See, the first thing is that do you have the account in NISM portal? Yeah. You have your portal ID there, right? I will tell you which exam to clear from that, okay? But your portal ID is created, right? Okay. You can go to HICM portal and there once I will open I will show you the important links that needs to be used by you, okay? So check me and links. Here you can go to the links, quick links actually. Okay, these are the shortcuts links actually to various sources actually. Huh? Once I will inform you about the various topics out here, you can just bookmark this link and you can go and see over here. So the first link is NISM certification link. If you have the account over here, it is fine actually. Okay, I will inform you which series you have to complete. I think mutual fund series you have done, right? There is one more series that needs to be completed by you. That is series 8. Okay, series 8 for equity derivatives module. This series also you enroll and you try to clear. Okay, equity derivatives module apart from your mutual fund series. First thing. Second thing is that you should have your demat account. Okay, in that account you have to activate every segment. You have to activate every segment. It means what? Equity, derivatives, that is future and options, and currency and commodity. Currency and commodity. Okay. These are the segments that needs to be activated by you in your demat account. Any of the broker you can choose. We are not concerned, but you open your demat account. Whichever broker you are choosing, they should have the charting facility free of cost. They shouldn't be charging from you. I have with Zerodha. Zerodha hai? It is fine. Then it is fine. If you have with Zerodha, it is fine. Yeah, but you make sure that you have every segment activated in Zerodha. It will be your work is done now. So let us now start the class actually. See, there are various models that we have to prepare out here. Huh? I will guide you step by step how we
This
can.
class is the recording thing I'll get no if I want to read.
Yeah. So okay. So I will. See what we are doing over here. Whenever any student is joining, we try to create a drive for him in the Google Drive. I told to the backend team. Had they sent you the link?
No, I think.
You can check actually. I have told them yesterday only. Might be there is some link which they have sent because Neha has confirmed to me that she has sent you the link. Just check once again.
In mail, no?
Yeah, yeah. On your mail, actually, they have shared one link with you. That is a Google Drive link where you have to go and you have to download the notes and videos. Every class that we are taking here, we will be recording the classes. Okay. Recordings will be shared within 48 hours.
No, I've not received. Can you tell
Okay.
me?
So, see now, you can do one thing. See, for the Google Drive link, okay, you need to send a mail to support@hicm.in from your registered mail ID.
Support.
At the rate
Huh.
hicm.in.
Okay.
Send a mail to them. They will share but the mail which you are sending from which you have enrolled.
Yeah, yeah.
Send from that only. Tell them to share the Google Drive link. They will share the link with you. Your folder I have only created actually, but mail should come from their side. They will share the link with you. Bookmark that link actually. Whenever I am taking any class for you, within 48 hours they will upload the videos.
Okay, I've mailed them.
Just mail them and also they will share the notes. Every notes they will share with you. Okay. If they are not sharing, try to chase them. They will share every notes, every help they will give you. Okay. Support@jsim.in. Chalo. Okay. Let us begin the session without any delay now. See what is financial planning. Okay. See, this word is very very easy, but I am telling to you the implementation is not so much easy that we are thinking actually, because whenever we want to plan We will plan actually that these are the things we want to achieve. Okay, these are things we want to achieve, but we will not plan in a scientific way actually. We will not plan in a scientific way. It means we will not come to our goals pin to point. If I want to achieve this thing, how should I achieve? Okay, see, there are certain kind of things that we have to achieve. Okay, in life actually, there is certain approach which is correct approach, and certain kind of approach which is incorrect approach. Okay, there are things which is not correct actually. Okay, so we have to know which are the things which is correct and which is not correct. Suppose if we will tell actually that we have to pay our college fees actually. Okay, we will pay the college fees, but this is not a correct approach. Okay, the correct approach is that how much money should I need to save. See, in every of the options, if you will see over here, first thing is that we should tell the time limit. Okay, in what time we have to achieve the things which we are planning actually, and then if we want to move towards it, how much money we should be saving actually. See, if you will see the third column actually, which is saying incorrect approach, here the goals which any person wants to achieve, he will tell I will save, I will save, I will save, but he will not tell that what is the plan to save actually. Okay, whenever we want to plan anything, suppose if I will tell that I want to do marriage, first approach is that I want to do marriage in 1 year. Okay, I will tell the time limit. Okay, this is not a complete approach actually, because marriage if I want to do, it will come with the expenses actually, right? See, nowadays nothing can be done without money.
Yeah.
If I am telling I want to do marriage after a year, do I have a budget for that actually? Because at least 10 to 15 lakhs. If I am telling that I want to do a marriage after 1 year, do I have a plan? Do I have a saving actually? Okay, this thing should be there. See, first thing is that my time horizon. If I want to achieve my target, what is my time horizon? Okay. Second thing is that how much money will I be saving? Okay, how much money I will save to achieve that goal? Huh? Two things should be there: time and how much money will I be saving. So, if you will see this chart actually, in the third column, he is telling I will save money, I will save money because there are certain goals that needs to be achieved actually. Okay, but this is first of all, it should be time bound. Okay, it means I will save 10,000 in a year for the next 2 years for my vehicle. Okay, and one thing is that it should be realistic actually. Okay, if I will tell I want to buy house actually. Okay, I want to buy house, and there is no time bound actually. What is my time bound in which I want to buy the house? Okay, I don't have that time actually. And if someone will ask from me, I will tell tomorrow only I want to buy a house. It means it is what actually? It is unrealistic approach actually. Okay, so my approach should be realistic term actually. Okay, second thing that is to be attainable. Okay, I can, it should be within your reach, within my reach. Someone will tell I want to become rich, that is fine, and tomorrow he will tell I want to become rich, then Tata zero my money in just 2 days. It is not achievable actually. Huh? 2 days nobody can achieve. Just ignore my spelling. I'm very bad in that. Huh? Achievable.
Okay.
Okay, and you should be able to measure that actually. Measurable actually. You should be able to measure actually. Okay. So this is the various type of see the points of approach that we are learning. It is very very important for us. We will help you how you can create model out of these questions, because see questions are very very important which you will be asking from your client. Most of the clients which will be coming to you, they are not planning properly. First of all, they don't have anything that they can create a model. Our work is that based on the studies that we will be doing, we will create a model actually. Okay. So now this is what you have learned. Okay. Now how to achieve the goals actually. See, goals can be many. Okay, whether I want to go for MBA planning or higher education as such, or whether I want to buy two wheeler, or whether I want to go on vacations, there I have to tell what is my goal type: short term, medium term, long term. See, this we should learn actually in brief actually. Okay, short term, medium term, and the long term. What are these type of goals? Okay, see, when we are saying about the short term goal, okay, we are telling less than 1 year time. Okay, short term goals actually. See, if it is time is T is more than 1 year, okay, then it will come to medium term goal. Huh? But see, it should be within actually. Okay, sorry. See, T actually. If I will see T time, okay, I am using time over here. Time. Okay, time should be greater than 1 year, okay, but less than or equal to 2 years. This is I am creating a model for you. Okay, see, there is one sheet actually. As when I am creating a model, I will update the sheet in front of you. Whenever I am creating a model for you, this notes belongs to you only. We will share with you, but please don't copy and paste. Try to understand and create your own model. This is what we want from every student. Okay, anyhow, this notes whichever we will create, we share with the student. It is fine actually. Okay, see, this part I will come to you. Now I am on this part. Okay, goals, goal type. So goal type I will put over here. If it is not coming, it is fine, I can type also. Goal type: short term, medium term, long term. Okay, I can type over here: short term, medium term, and long term. Very very important. Okay, see, short term, it means what I have told you. T is less than 1 year. Okay, see, less than or equal to, then this logic is completed. Huh? T is less than. Now here what I told to you: T is greater than 1 year, it is fine, but less than, or equal to 2 years. Ty, understand? Ty 1 year, 1 year. Long term actually, he will tell I have a long term goal. There is no definition of long term or short term. I am telling you. Some people will tell I want to do marriage in 3 years. That will become his long term goal. Other person will tell, hey, my age is 35 years. I want to marry in next 2 months only. I cannot wait. It means it is a short term goal. Based on his answer, you have to, put him in certain kind of category, and then you will see what should I advise. Whenever we are advising to any client, he will tell so many things in theoretical way, blah 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 blah. So whole story he will tell for 1.5 hours. huh Everything you have to put in this model actually. Everything you have to put in this model, so he will also know that you are not guessing actually. You have some models that you have created, and you are saying him answer on the basis of this models only. Long term goal actually. Okay, T actually. T long term actually is greater than. Okay, it will become 2 years actually, because here medium term goal. Okay, greater than 2 years. See, he can have 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. That will come in long term goal only. Okay, so this is 1 year. Okay, so this is the one which I am creating out here. And then for whom is getting self, parents, then he will tell. And then he will tell the target date actually to you. What is his target date when he wants to achieve the target actually? Okay, So as per that, he can tell that these are my action plan actually. See, action plan, what it is writing over here, make investments. It is also a kind of theory only. Whenever we are making the action plan, it should be scientific. You have to tell in quantitative way actually. Huh? If he is telling I want to save, his target is this, then how much he is to save? How much he is to save? Huh? See, savings is also dependent on the type of income. Person who is earning 10,000 rupees a month, you cannot tell him to save 50,000 rupees. No earning na. Earning will only happen when saving is there actually. Okay. So see, every answer we can create a model. Okay, we can create a income range. Income range also model we can create, and this is his savings actually. Okay, there are different type of risk which is associated with financial planning. Some people will come and they will tell we don't want to take any risk. When they are telling we don't want to take any risk and you are telling invest in equity, it means if it means it is not helpful for him. No risk, no risk. We are not here to force any product. What is his wish? We will tell him. We will tell him this is what you do, and he will take. Hmm. If they will tell low risk, then also. So see here, I will write various kind of products in which he can. One by one, I will write very slowly. Risk and return, we will see. And this is the power of compounding. How much return he wants to achieve? Huh. How much return he wants to achieve, that has to be come from his side actually. What he thinks that is good return. Some clients will come, they will tell we want 1000% of return. It is not realistic return. We have to tell them on their face only, you cannot achieve it. You try to go with other people. I don't have any such plan, because I am telling to you, in financial world there is no such scheme which can give you this much kind of return actually. See, people can make in options actually, but their risk is there actually. Risk is there. But if you will tell the scientific tools, I am saying to you, see, normally what we are seeing actually, this is how you have to make the power of compounding return and how much money he is bringing on the table. Suppose he is bringing 50,000 rupees on the table actually. Okay, this when you will drag, everything will change by itself. Suppose he is bringing 50,000 rupees actually. How much return he wants to achieve actually. If you will see how much return he wants to achieve, then he has to plan which asset class he is investing. Suppose he wants 40 percentage of return and he don't want to take any risk, then this theory will not match. Because if he don't want to take risk, he can only invest in fixed deposit and FD and PPF schemes in which he cannot earn 40% of return. It means he is not clear about the different kind of asset class in which he can put his money. Very simple. We have to tell him whatever you are thinking is not matching where, because first you told that you don't want to take any risk, and then here everything whatever we are doing actually, we have to plan. Okay, if he is saying now there are different type of saving that, see, suppose if he is telling I don't want to take any risk actually. Okay, we have certain kind of products for you. Fixed deposits. Okay, then RD will also come in this. Recurring deposit will also come. PPF schemes. PPF schemes like PPF by government. Pension schemes. You are aware. Post office schemes. Then we have the post office schemes. Certain kind of plans are there. Government bonds. Okay, government bonds. I am talking about only government bonds. So they are also safe actually. Okay, or either insurance. Okay, we will be adding actually as and when it will come. Okay, and then we will move to the risky assets like equity index. Okay, then we will move to derivatives products like futures. Okay, and then options, risky assets. Okay, more or less, if you will see, they are more risky, but mutual funds somewhat less. Then we also have debentures. I'm talking about government debentures, huh? Sorry, private company debentures. And then here I am talking about corporate bonds. Okay, corporate bonds. Now you have different type of asset classes in front of you in which you can tell him to invest. As and when it will come in our mind, we can keep adding the chart over here. Okay. Now, first model actually. If that person is telling I don't want to take any risk, ma'am, it means yes, he can go over a fixed deposit, PPF, government bonds, insurance. Okay, this is not applicable for him because he is saying actually don't need to waste any time actually. Simple. Don't need to push for him. See, I am telling to you two kind of activity can be done by the student out here actually. Either if he is becoming an agent of any mutual fund will give some kind of commissions as you will sell their mutual fund. Now, person is thinking that whoever is coming, I will push him in mutual fund only and keep wasting their time for pushing the people. But this person don't want to take any risk. It means we are wasting our time here. When he is clear, I don't want to take any risk, but you are putting your efforts and time on that person. You charge him now. See, I will consult you, sir, but I will my charges is 3,000 rupees per hour, 2 hours 6,000 rupees. Like that, you make certain kind of tables for you actually. So in consultation fees only, you will earn your commission. See, I am telling to you, getting 50 clients also per day is also very less in this business. You are aware how much the volume comes. Don't give your service free of cost. Always charge for the right advice. And when you have a model, when you will show your modeling sheet, I am telling to you, same customer will be impressed, and even though he can pay you more, but you have a fixed price. That's why this is my prices. This is I'll charge. This is my models which I've created. It is up to you whether you want to take my service or not. But if we will try to push for, oh, we are agent, let us push for insurance only. But that person wants to take risk. Why we are pushing him on only insurance? We have other asset class also. We have equity. We will tell him to equity because he can take risk. Huh? As per his wish, we have to advise him. Okay. Okay. This actually all I will do with the, sorry, red color. Okay, and this all I will do with the blue color. And this everything I will do whenever you are presenting. It should be very attractive. Only then he will think that you are professional. Very, very frank. Presentation is very, very important.
And they will think we are dedicated in this.
Dedicated actually.
Yeah.
And see, when your theory is proper now, then only you can create a model.
Yeah.
Okay, so chalo, I will move forwards. Forward, I will move. Background, financial planning. This we have done. Okay. Whenever you are asking any questions, you create a form for your clients. Client data collection is very, very important for you so that you can play with that data actually. I am telling you a practical thing. Still, people are writing in diary. It will not work out. We should have Excel. And when I am telling you the Excel, you should have a cloud sheet. Like cloud sheet hit I am using actually. This cloud sheet you have all the time with you actually. Don't open with your system Microsoft Excel actually. Everything should be done on cloud. Nowadays cloud is the future actually. So do you know how to create a cloud account? I will show you, don't worry. See, this is the drive, Google Drive. Google gives cloud facility up to 15 GB free of cost. I think it is more than enough for you. Yeah. Don't need to spend money on purchasing cloud from outside. Whatever we have to do, we have to do with zero money. Okay, so this is the thing which we will make. Here you will go here, you can create your cloud sheets actually. Okay, and here you can create your cloud form. See, this cloud form is very, very important for you to create. Whenever you are asking your questions, first of all, you tell them to fill the form, so that when he is applying to you, he will think they are professional actually. And
Yeah, I have done it.
you have done it. Okay, very good actually.
Because
Huh.
we have clients where we can't access face to face.
Okay, okay, okay.
We can't talk face to face.
Huh,
So
huh.
when the person is interested, if I ask, is interested in the investment, we have spoken, and he wants to do the investment.
Mhm.
Like I can't ask, send me your account number, send me your nominee details,
Mhm.
everything. So
Mhm.
I've created a form attached to my
Mhm.
cloud, and once I talk, I send the form.
You said the form. Okay, I want to see the question that you are asking from that form. Okay, see, we will also show you the type of question that you can ask from him.
Yeah.
Okay, have you used any kind of financial advisor before? This should
Hmm.
be your. See, I am telling to you, if person is not having
But
any
my
kind
form
of
is like completely personal details. That's
personal
it.
details.
Huh.
Okay, see,
It
this
is.
is the kind of questionnaire that we want to create. You want to ask from the client in the
Yeah.
first only. Okay, try
Hmm.
to ask. See, these questions why I am telling you important, one by one we'll see actually. Okay, he will tell yes or no.
Yeah.
What service do you require?
Hmm.
Equity release, investment advice, mutual funds, pension, annuity, retirement, tax planning, trust. These are the questions that you should ask from him.
Yeah.
Wealth management. Apart from this, if you have any other thing in your mind, you write over here.
Hmm.
Hmm? Third thing is that what is your approximately annual income before tax? It is very, very important for you. See, I am telling to you, if you are pitching person who is earning less than 1 lakh rupee in a year, you need to pitch him as per that only.
Yeah.
You cannot talk, sir, start investing 5 lakhs rupees. Huh? This is important actually. What is his annual income? See, this is the first question here when you are meeting, you should put in the Google form. As now you told me start putting this question, huh?
I'll do this different part.
Different part also you
Huh.
can do. Different part also. See, you can create two
When
form.
I approach, no, I can ask like for a feedback thing. I can give it.
Feedback thing.
See, when I give a presentation, obviously I
Mm-hmm.
can't send him first. So when he wants to talk face to face, so
Hmm.
I'll have a clear record what he wants.
Okay.
First we approach. Now we tell in the first thing only
Hmm.
we tell what is mutual fund.
Hmm.
Why is it important to invest? And we
Okay.
tell
Okay.
him the foundation.
Ah.
Right.
Hmm.
So after that, see, sending you a link. So
Hmm.
according to your goals, once you fill, I will create a goal set however you want.
Okay. Okay.
So
Understood.
after that, I can do it.
Ah. Okay.
That's
Okay.
my plan.
Okay. Do it. It is fine. It is fine. What is the approx total value of your cash and other investment? Okay, see, and always you write that
Other.
others or don't want to reveal, because there will be
Uh-huh.
some clients who will think that it can create a security concern from them. Everywhere, if you are asking any question here, what is your income? Right, I don't wish to reveal. It is fine actually. They have written actually. We have written prefer not to say. Prefer not to say. It is fine actually. If they wish, they can reveal. Otherwise, because see, some clients are there, they want to see you before they want to reveal you. It is fine actually, huh?
Yeah.
How confident are you in
Manage.
managing your
Finances.
finances? This is also very, very important actually. There will be some people who don't know anything, but they are earning in lakhs, crores, billions, millions. If you are getting such clients,
There are people,
there
they
are 12, है
have
ना?
a good income.
But
They're
they
not even saving the single rupee.
rupee actually. So you should ask from them if they know something about to manage their money or not. This is important. Okay. This is also important. How old are
How
you
old are you?
actually? Based on their age factor, we will do a risk profiling for
Yeah.
them. See, I was making one table right here. Where is it went? Where I was creating the model risk profiling questionnaire.
Hmm.
Okay, this I will show you how to complete. Okay. See, any of the class I prepare in front of the student only so that they should know that how I am preparing.
Yeah.
Because if I will prepare and come, then you will not know how I prepare from scratch. Okay, how old are you? It is very important. In any of the question you can, because see there are certain women who will tell we don't want to tell our age, we don't wish, don't ask. So it will happen, and there are certain men also, they will tell we don't want to tell why you're asking my age. They can feel offended. Once they will like you, or once they know you, they
They're
will tell you,
confident enough.
they will tell you each and everything. Okay, it is fine. How would you like to receive this service, remotely or in person? Remotely, if they are telling, whenever you are taking any call, try to do video call only.
Mhm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Try to
I
do
take them on Zoom.
Zoom na, and you are there on
Yeah,
video
yeah.
call. It is fine actually. Huh? Take them video call, whether their video is on or not. It is fine actually. But once they will see your face,
They are confident.
they are confident. Okay, there is some person actually whom I can. Huh? How likely are you make a hiring decision?
Hmm.
There will be some people who will tell, I will hire after 1 year. There is no need for you to waste time on this kind of people who is thinking and who is telling. I am telling to you, freely if you will provide, they will not appreciate. Always charge for your consultancy, and you can only charge good money when you have a models created
Hmm.
based on the model which we will show you. Okay, so they will tell, I am ready to hire now. These are your potential customers. First, because see, there can be n number of forms that you are getting. Okay, but you have to segregate. Person who is telling I will hire after 12 months or 1 year, 2 year. Why we need to waste our time over to them, calling them, telling them, and then talking to them? They will waste your time. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, unnecessarily they will waste your time actually.
Hmm.
Huh? This is you should be, see, this is the form why we are creating to filter out the potential clients. Okay. Where do you need the financial advisor? This if you are putting in your questionnaire, which is your town name. This is some kind of, if you will say, little bit lengthy, but it will give you a brief
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
about the client, huh? And then
With
their email
client, there
address.
is no need to type. No, we have to type everything. Just tick everything and go.
Okay, okay. See, there are two modes in which form can be filled.
Hmm.
Okay, I am telling to you there are two type of clients actually. Okay, see, one client we are calling. We are calling and we are telling, sir, we are having this business. Do you want to invest? We can advise you. If we are calling now, we will get less interest from their side.
Yeah.
If they are calling, it means they are interested and they are actively participate, and they will show their enthusiasm.
Hmm.
Huh. Second thing is that if we are only typing in, it is fine actually. We can only type. But if you will create a link, do you have any portal like website, something like that? Website you have?
I should do.
You should do not see, do it actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Without website, I am telling to you, business will not survive for more. Hmm.
That's true.
That also I will guide you. Step
Hmm.
by step, I'll guide you in this course only. Okay. That I will guide you.
I have plans because
Mm.
on like 2 months back, I launched my company officially, like
Hmm.
in front of people.
Hmm.
I had launched virtually a
Hmm.
long back,
Hmm.
but I had that thing that see if I launch in front of everyone,
Hmm.
even though they are existing custom like
Hmm.
clients of us,
Hmm.
they will get more confidence. Oh, they
Correct.
have a company.
Hmm. Ha. They will get more confident. But see, I am telling you one thing more actually. Domain.
Hmm.
See, this is actually, if you will see HICM, this is called a domain name. HICM.in, .com, .net. This is called
Hmm.
a domain name actually. Huh? Have your domain name online present.
Hmm.
Huh? And put it on a Google listing. When you have a domain name, you will create a form.
Yeah, attach
Try to
that to.
upload that form in your domain.
Yeah.
Try to attach that form in your domain. I am telling to you, in Bangalore area only. Only in Bangalore area, 50,000 plus searches are happening for financial advisor every day.
Hmm.
See, we are an institute, we do lots of research what is happening in current market. I am talking about not 50,000 lead to you, 10% is lead that can come to you.
Yeah.
अरे leave, हाँ 10% leave तो it means हाँ can come to you हाँ leave 10% leave 1% leave
Mm.
that you have to capture actually from the market. That can only capture. See, there are two type of searches which is done on a Google actually. Okay, two type of searches. When people will search about a particular kind of business unit, this is
Mm.
called a active search. Huh? Active search, and then your name will come. And when they are calling to you, these are your potential clients.
Yeah.
Because see, if people will are not having any interest, they will not search only. Time pass, people will not do this kind of activity, and after searching they are calling you also. You are not calling, they are calling you. They are your clients actually.
Yeah.
Huh? So this is step by step. See, this is not only we teach the student wealth management course, because we also know 99.9 percentage of students who are doing this course of wealth management, they are starting their own company.
Yeah.
So we also have to get them how they can push their business. Okay, now I will take you to the, okay, this is the client data I have told you. I am taking you to this part. Okay, life cycle analysis of the business. Okay, wealth cycle, this is the life cycle. Okay, in
Mm.
person's life. See, this is the early career, which is having a age of 25 to 35 years. Okay, whatever we are learning over here, we have to create a model over here. Okay,
Mm.
no learning is helpful for you without creating a model. Very very frankly I am telling to you. Again we will try to create a model over here. Age. Okay, so what it is saying actually here, early career, age of 25 to 35 years. Okay, there I can write over here, this is their early career
Yeah.
development. So 35 to 50 years. 35 to 50 years career development. Yes, actually, I am writing here so that if you will hover, you will
Mm-hmm.
come to know what it means.
Mm.
Okay, what it is telling over here now. Peak accumulation. Okay,
Peak.
early 50 into the early 60. Okay, peak accumulation. Okay, 50 to 60, I can tell. Okay, and then 60 greater than 60 or equals to, it will be retirement age. Peak accumulation. Okay, and this is the retirement age. It is fine. Okay, so this is their stages actually. Okay,
Mm.
see, this is just like a theory. Okay, my work is give you the practical implementation and the practicality of it. Okay, early career is what actually, because see, normal course people, students are dependent on their parents till
Mm.
25 to 30 years also nowadays, because they are doing the studies, and it takes time for you to see a
Mm.
job and get into a
Yeah.
job actually. Okay, so it will all take actually early career 35 25 to 35 years, and there after they will get a job, this is they will start growing from 35 to 50 years, because also person will get married, life will get settled, and all this career will also grow, wife will also come, so all these things, earning will also rise actually. But you know, financial demands will also rise,
Mm.
because kids will come mortgage, and you know he will start taking loans, different type of loans he will take actually, house loan, car loan, so many loans, personal loan, different type of. And see, there are two things which is happening nowadays, because see every child parents is not working.
Yeah.
Huh. So when he is getting a job and when he is reaching to 35 years, now he has his own kids also. And after 60 years, parents will also become kids only. Because
Yes.
we say now that as person is growing old, he is becoming kid. So now we have so many kids to handle to one sense actually. So their expenses also, and his own kids' expenses also. And if
Yes.
wife is not working, because see, most of the women who is working, after some point of time when
They
they have
have
a
to
kid,
stop.
so see, this one person is pissed off actually. This one person is pissed off actually what to do, what not to do, how to plan actually,
Mm.
what to plan and not to plan. I am telling to you, no earning is less. But as unwanted desires will come now, I have to go to Singapore. That will cost me 10 lakhs rupees. But I have a desire, I have to complete. So I will take a loan and I'll start going to. See, when we are advising to our clients, we are not here to tell them I don't have these kind of desires, but we are telling them to think in a scientific way. See, it is your life, you want to go actually, but had you planned? This is only my role to give you a model, and based on that model I will tell you how you can plan. hmm? Career development, and then it will peak accumulation, and he will get retired. People will tell about retirement, but I will tell you, after 60 years people are dependent more.
Yeah.
Retirement is a different thing actually. People are dependent more. It means this is the age of dependent on others. Because I am telling to you now, I think in some government plans, government jobs, they stop giving pensions.
Long back, sir.
Long back,
Say,
na?
until some year now,
Huh?
until I think
Huh?
before 2008,
Huh?
people will get pension. After that, whoever are there, they won't get pension.
See now. See now where
Because
the
before, people were like, even for marriage or something, oh, they are in government job. They are treated like kings if
kings.
they are in government job.
But now see actually.
Uh,
So this is what it is happening, huh? Retirement, they will get
Still,
so.
there is scope for government job, even though there is no pension. I don't know why.
See, actually, one thing is there in government job apart from pensions. If you are on certain kind of good company in certain good position, actually, they will also give you for house rentals, other expenses. They will give you, car expenses, house and kids tuition fees. These are also the in some of the banking jobs is there actually. But I am telling to you, we are working as a financial advisor. Not only we have to plan for others, we also have to plan for our own life. So that this kind of things is not coming with us, because whatever models we are telling to others now, I am telling to you, we also have to implement that models. Very frankly, I am saying to you, it is not for others, it is for us also. Okay, this is this. Okay, next, so we are doing life cycle, wealth cycle. Okay, when I was getting this model, I want to keep alternative investment funds also, okay, like hedge funds. I am not sure whether you are aware, but these are called the alternative investment funds. It is same like mutual funds, but see, there is a difference.
I have heard about the hedge funds, but
I will tell
I
you.
don't know properly.
See, there are two type of, you can tell, mutual funds. Okay, this is called traditional mutual funds. Traditional mutual funds are coming under SEBI,
Hmm.
Security Exchange Board of India. They have one association called MP,
Yeah.
Association
Yes,
of
mutual
Mutual
funds.
Fund of India. See, this association is working under the guidelines of SEBI. Like Access Mutual Fund, these are called the traditional. See, every mutual fund is having a NAV, net asset value.
Yeah.
It is on mandate on them that they have to keep that NAV on public domain. They cannot hide the NAV.
Yes.
They have to be transparent. Every at the end of the month, they have to share the holding reports with their clients. Not only at the end of the month, every nanosecond, their securities and
Yes.
holdings should be available on public domain. They cannot hide, they cannot go, they have to, and these are the guidelines, mandate guidelines by SEBI actually.
Yes.
Okay, these are called the traditional mutual fund. There is also called alternative investment funds. alternative investment funds. First is called the hedge funds actually. Okay. And second is called a private equity fund, P fund. There are different type of participants which is available over here in the financial market as such. Okay, I will tell you the participant. First is called a traders. Traders actually will trade on intraday basis in equity market. Okay, intraday trading they will do. It means buying and selling on daily basis. Second is called investors. Investors will plan for certain period of time, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. They can buy on delivery based trading. I am talking about equity market, huh? Delivery based. It means they will keep their stocks in their demat account. Demat accounts are what? Like digital lockers. You are aware of that?
Yes.
Demat account are like digital lockers. There are two kind of depositories over here. NSDL, National Security Depository Limited, and CDSL, Central Depository Securities Limited. Two type of depositories over here actually. We have hedges also. The hedges work is what? To offset the risk. Offsetting the risk. There are different type of asset class over here, right? Equity, mutual fund, bonds, corporate bonds, hedge funds also I am putting over here. Okay, and P fund, private equity fund. Or I can tell AIF, okay, so that I will save my space. See this I am writing a comment over here, okay, so that if you are seeing in future, will be able to know alternative investment funds like hedge funds, okay, and private equity fund. Okay. Now this is called an AIF. But if you will ask from me, it will come in NA because it is very risky. I will tell you. See, hedges is where to offset the risk. Every asset class, if you will see, it is having some risk factor involved into that. Okay, but this is a money which is flowing from one sector to other sector or from one country to other country. I have used this word different sectors, right? Different sectors. You should be able to know what different sectors I'm talking about. Go into the quick links in HSCM portal. Here we have the quick links actually for your help. Let it open. Then I am going to sectors indices. Okay. This is the sectors, different companies which is listed on the stock exchange, NSE and BSE. Okay. Let it open. And see, every company is having its own sector, like auto sector, banking sector, consumer. So at a glance, you can see what are different sectors which is available over here. Money is flowing actually. Okay. Now, hedges work is what to offset the risk. Like if you are active in equity world, you will see money is not flowing into the IT sector from past 1 year. Money is flowing into the banking sector.
Yes.
IT sector is down by 15-20% because it is connected to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is not performing well. Prior when the corona was there, IT was performing well and banking was down. Okay, so hedger work is what actually to diversify the money. If they have 100 rupees, they will diversify the money between different sectors. Either between different sectors or between different asset class. Like they can buy equity and gold. Okay, here if you will see my model which I am creating, I have not written commodity market. So let me, okay, I will just reduce government bonds. Okay, and I will write over here commodity market. If person is coming to you and he is telling to you, I don't want to take any risk. Okay, yeah, yeah. And
Hello.
yes.
I'm a little busy right now. Can I call you later? Yeah. I'll call you back. I had an Amazon return.
Okay, okay.
So I am receiving everyone's call that it is him. He has not yet called.
Okay, it is fine actually. If person is coming, okay, so here I have written gold also. Okay,
Okay.
you are free, right? Whenever you are
Yeah,
free,
yeah,
then
yeah.
we'll
Now I'm
start.
free. Now
Hmm?
I'm free.
Okay, yes. Why? Partially, yes. Okay. See, gold. I will if you'll tell I don't want to take this gold. I have written partial, yes, actually.
Yeah.
Okay, this you have to explain to him.
Hmm.
If he is purchasing a gold now, if he is buying physical gold, there can be risk of theft.
Yeah.
So you have to make him aware. Okay, there's partial risk is there. Second thing is that gold price can fall. Don't think if you again actually as the type of scheme that he is using, we have to come to the second question. What is his gold time? Gold type. This I will come to you. One by one, we will get various models out here, okay? One by one we'll create models. Okay. Leave this one. I was here. Okay. Okay, about the hedge funds actually. Offset the risk actually. So see, if there is a hedge funds, what they will do, they will offset the risk. It means
Hmm.
they can purchase in different type of asset class. If you will see during the corona time 2019 to 2022,
Hmm.
equity 2021, 21 meaning 2020 till
21.
mid, no 2020 till August actually, equity market was not performing well. Market was down by 40
Yeah.
percentage. See, gold has written giving the return of 40 percentage. So this is the work of hedge funds. They will buy in different type of asset class. They can short, they can buy, they can long, and they can diversify their risk actually. Huh? This is called a hedge funds, and there is called a private equity fund. Okay, private equity fund actually. This is also a fund. Very rare people are aware that there are private equity fund. This is called a private equity fund. They will purchase in unlisted security. There are two type of securities which is available over here: listed securities and unlisted security. Listed is means listed on the stock exchange. Unlisted it means it is not listed on the stock exchanges. So this is the work of private equity fund. But there is a lock-in period. Like if you will see a traditional mutual fund, there are open-ended fund and there are closed-ended fund. See, closed-ended fund is for tax-saving people, and open-ended you can buy today and sell tomorrow. This is the hedge funds actually. There can be open-ended hedge funds and there can be closed-ended on their features actually. Okay, and private equity fund, it is mostly closed-ended fund because there is a lock-in period of 10 years or 5 years because this is we are purchasing unlisted securities.
Okay.
See, when it comes to security which is not listed, there is having a liquidity issue. It means if you are buying today, tomorrow if they want to sell,
They can.
no, they cannot. See,
Liquid, they can do it, no?
liquid. See, now I am talking about. Oh, sorry, I am taking liquidity. Na, sorry. See, I am saying to you. I was saying to you. There are two kind of security. Okay, listed security.
Hmm.
Okay, and unlisted security. See, when security is listed on the stock exchange, liquidity is high.
Hmm.
But there are certain equities which is listed on the stock exchange, liquidity is not high.
Okay.
Okay, so there are terms and conditions. But if you will take the name of the top 20 companies, I am talking about top 20 companies. Okay, where you can see, you can go to the quick links,
Hmm.
top market capitalization. This is companies will come which is under top. Whenever we are giving you any question, top 20 companies, top 20 companies, it means we are talking about listed companies.
Okay.
And how we can tell whether it is top? As per their market capitalization. As per their market capitalization. So if you will take top companies, actually their liquidity is high. Okay, in case of listed securities. But when security is not listed, unlisted, there will be liquidity issue. Liquidity issue will be there. See, I will give you very layman example. Suppose you are a private equity fund and I am a company. You want to buy my share, you will come to me, you will tell your company is not listed and we are PE fund, we want to purchase your shares. I will tell, I will give you my securities, unlisted shares. But I will make terms and conditions. Terms and conditions for 5 years. Because now you are giving me your fund, I will put that fund in my business. And business will take some time to grow. Tomorrow, if you are coming to me, no, I am selling your shares, I will tell there is a locking period. Because your money I have put into my business.
Yeah.
Now I cannot withdraw and I cannot give you, you wait for 5 years. So this is what is happening with the private equity fund. As they cannot sell, they cannot allow their client to redeem. Simple, right? Got it, right? So very simple. Okay. And then there are ways in which people can invest. I am 100% sure that you are aware of this. There is SIP route in which they can
Yeah.
systematically they can plan.
Yes.
And if they want to redeem, they can choose
Systematically
systematic
withdraw.
withdrawal plan. And this is STP transfer plan. See, there are two type of things which is happening over here. Okay, transferring and switching. Okay, transfer and switch. Suppose there is a access mutual fund. Okay, access mutual fund is having different schemes: farmer scheme, index scheme, banking scheme. These are different type of mutual funds of access mutual fund. But if we want to switch within the same family, it is called switches. If I want to change within the same family, suppose if I am into the index fund of, and this is a mid cap fund in which they are investing in mid cap companies. Now I want to move to large cap fund. They will invest in large cap company. If I want to change from index to large cap, it means it is called switch. But if I don't like access mutual fund at all, I will tell I don't want to purchase. I will go with SBI mutual fund. This is called transfer. Hmm? STP transfer plan. Wealth management and economy. Okay. Till the time we have time, we'll try to complete the model actually. Okay, this is as per their risk profiling that you will do. If you want tea, coffee, we have that facility. Okay, risk profiling. Okay, and this, sorry, this I will do with red color. Okay, because this is we are doing the risk profiling, and this colors wise you can change actually. There is no issue. Color wise you change whatever wish you want to have, and this is my short term and long term goal. If they will tell I want to take low risk actually. Hmm. Low risk, so it will be NA because it is a kind of product with no risk, fixed deposit. Okay, it can be NA. Sorry, is NA, 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 NA. Everything will be low risk. Okay, low risk if you take, yes, partial risk will come over here. Equity is high risk. Okay, so you cannot come in Y. Sorry, equity index low risk. Yes, yes, it will come over, yes, over here. Now there are certain kind of indexes which is running over here. Okay, I will give you a brief profile. First I will open my sheets and I will transfer in your sheet. These all sheets whichever I am making, they will share with you. Okay, understanding index. This is not the thing. type of indices. This I am moving to your sheet. I think this slide was not there. It is fine. Okay, now it will be here. There are different type of indexes which is available over here. You are aware of the mutual funds, right?
Yeah.
Mutual funds, there is also called exchange traded funds.
Mm.
Okay, called exchange traded funds. These are also kind of mutual funds only, but they are trading on exchanges. Are you aware of that?
Yeah.
ETFs, you are aware, right?
Yeah.
So it is called equity IT. Okay, so
Mm.
there are different type of indexes. Like if we have a IT index, we have ITBs for that. If we have banking index, we have banking Bs for that.
Mm.
If we have Nifty, we have Nifty Bs for that. If we have Sensex, we have SBA Sensex for that. For Nasdaq, there is a ticker MY100. Okay, I can also open my. Okay, I will just log in into my broker portal. Let it open. Will not waste time. If you will see,
Mm.
it is just trading like equities only. Had you traded in this?
Yeah.
It is traded. Okay. So see here, if you will see, this is the value spot value. Okay, this is the spot value of indexes. Here in this ticker, we are only paying percentage of it.
Yeah.
Okay, and as it is coming under the guidelines of SEBI, it is having low risk. Okay, so the same risk, same models which I am preparing out here,
Mm.
I am putting it into a low risk column, profile risking. Okay, low risk. Yes, it is having certain risk is there actually,
Yeah.
which I will keep it on a low risk. Okay, so mutual fund is also coming under low risk. There, this will be any future options are having. Okay, one thing point which I want to tell you, I told you about alternative investment funds.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, I told you about hedge funds and private equity funds.
Yeah.
They are not coming under any kind of regulations of SEBI.
Okay.
It is very risky. They are not coming under any kind of, or they are coming under very less regulation. First thing is that as they are not forced to do anything, they are not having any mandate that they should publish their name on public domain. There are certain kind of investment banking company like JP Morgan Chase Bank, Northern Trust. These are the MNC bank. Goldman Sachs. Okay, these are the investment banks. They all have private equity funds or the hedge funds. If you will try to search their name, it will not come
Mm.
because it is not mandate on them. They will keep everything on hidden bars.
Mm.
It means they are not transparent. And second thing is that very risky.
Yeah.
Here though, if you are thinking that mutual fund is doing anything, you can complain to SEBI. They will take action.
Yeah.
Here you cannot take anything. So here, before you are telling it is risky or not risky, you should know. Debentures actually are very risky. Okay, I will tell you how debentures are formed. Are you aware of how debentures are formed?
No.
But
Like.
I will tell you. I
Yeah.
will tell you. Okay, or bonds also very risky. Corporate bonds, company bonds actually. Okay, and AIF, and it will come over N actually. Okay, so as per see, if he is telling I want to take low risk, then three options is in front of you.
Yeah.
Okay, but see, with every kind of risk, we will add no risk assets also in that, because completely we will not allow him to take entire risk.
Yeah.
But as per the age factor, so see, one by one we are creating the model. Okay, so this model will create no, so but first I will tell you how debentures are formed. Now, I told you there are different kind of sectors out here. Now you are aware of the sectors part, huh? There are different kind of sectors. See, every sector can create their debenture.
Mm.
But let's understand how financial sector is creating a debenture. Suppose this is the Nifty Bank Index. If you want to know, this index, Nifty Bank, is dependent on certain kind of equities. Like we have the mutual fund. Mutual fund is having a NAV, net asset value. Net asset value will go up and down basis of the securities that they are holding.
Mm.
In the same way, Nifty bank will go up and down as per the securities that they are holding. Okay, so let us see what are the list of securities that they are having. So I have downloaded this report. Okay, and this is, let it open. Okay, will not
Yeah.
wait. And this is the fact sheet. I have told you about market capitalization. As per the market capitalization of the company,
Mm.
they will give them the weightage actually. Okay, they will give them the weightage. See, stock market is all about risk, but the percentage will differ. Percentage will differ. If someone will ask from me, I want to buy Reliance stock,
Mm.
whether it is risky or not risky. It is
It
risky,
is risky.
but the percentage will differ. Why? If there is some small company, like if you will see whose market capitalization is less, Indus Towers. I will tell Indus Tower is having more risk than Reliance. Percentage will differ because there was an article which was coming last month only about HDFC Bank.
Mm.
HDFC Bank is the number one bank in India because
Yeah.
it is a private bank. And why it is number one? As per the market currency, number three bank, number
Mm.
three company, and number one bank, 9,21,000 crore actually, market capitalization. See how we will calculate market capitalization, it is also having a logic. Okay, I will come to this slide now as I was teaching about market capitalization. Number of outstanding shares. Okay, PVPV, this one. Okay, this slide also I will copy in your sheet. Okay, into the market value. I am talking about market number of outstanding shares. It means shares which is giving to the shareholders. Public.
Mm.
Public is having that money and they are trading. Huh? Outstanding shares into the market price. Okay, so here I will give you this entire sheet actually so that you can also analyze and you can practice here actually. If you want to see what is the outstanding shares, if we want to calculate the market capitalization,
Mm.
we should again go to the NSE portal. Okay. And yes, I was here over here in the sheet which I have downloaded. From where I have downloaded here list of Nifty index stocks. So banking index is having these kind of companies: AU Bank, Axis Bank, Bandhan Bank. As per their share will go up and down, Nifty Bank value will go up and down. If you will see, if top now, if I want to see the weightage, I will open this fact sheet.
Mm.
HDFC Bank is having the 26% weightage. If you will see top five bank, if it is down, Nifty Bank will be down because their weightage is
Yeah.
very very high. Their weightage is very very high actually. And as you will go down, see weightage is not giving that HDFC Bank is giving bribe. Weightage is giving as per their business model. But they are big. That is why weightage is more actually.
Yeah.
Because they need to keep this index safe. Now, to mutual fund, you are aware actually. It is just like a cricket team actually. If mutual funds are seeing that this A company is not performing well, kick him out because it will impact their NAV actually, and client return will suffer. In the same way, if they will see that see this why weightage is more because constantly performing good. If they
Yeah.
will see this is not performing, kick them out actually. We don't know you and you don't know us because we have to keep the value of.
No, even as an advisor, what we think is now Bandhan and IDFC are merging.
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
So, our senior advisor, what they say, until the merge, don't invest in that IDFC mutual fund.
Hmm.
Because later, what will happen, we'll see the game, how it
Corporations.
works.
Ah.
So, like that, also, we calculate.
Hmm. Later we calculate. It is fine. Yeah, it is fine. It happens because see
Yeah.
how the management will take the decision.
Yeah.
I was telling to you HDFC Bank, okay.
Mm.
HDFC Bank was having one unit, housing finance unit,
Mm, mm, mm,
that has been purchased by Bandhan Bank.
mm,
I am not recalling that name. It was Group Finance.
mm.
Group Finance was the company of HDFC Bank. Till the time it was under the HDFC Bank, that company was doing very good.
Mm.
And as Bandhan Bank have purchased them, whole company got bogus. They
Yeah.
delisted that company
That is the
only.
reason when the merge is happening, we should wait.
You should wait.
How the game will change.
How the day will change, and how the securities will swap actually.
Yeah, we
These
have
are
to
all
give
things.
that a time.
These things will happen. These things will happen.
Because we have to select the funds and we
हाँ
can't play with someone's
money
money
yes,
also.
you should wait actually. It is better to go with the biggest brands only actually. In the last actually, when we don't have the options, we will tell okay, go with ICICI mutual
And
fund.
even I've heard Citibank and Axis is going to
Merge, yeah. But Axis Bank is very good
Yeah,
bank.
very good. Yeah.
See, Axis Bank, if they are taking city business, they will keep it intact. See, Axis Bank
Citibank
knows.
is more popular for credit cards. Even I was very less aware that they even have debit cards.
Actually, if you will see, Citibank is more famous in giving credit cards.
Ah.
But when it comes to roadside selling, Axis Bank is best in that because they are Indian people, na, they know how to capture the market. So they will. It is fine actually. If Axis Bank is taking Citibank, I am very happy
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, yeah.
It is very good bank. See, if you will see, weightage is
And
12%.
Citibank is not listed in mutual fund if for a transaction debit card. Because one, there are very less number that
Huh.
use Citibank debit card.
Huh, huh, huh.
Okay, one of my client who had Citibank, that time only I got to know, okay, Citibank people also have debit cards. Like, and that point he is almost 45 years old
Huh.
now. So at that point, his company offered Citibank debit card.
Hmm.
So now there are many issues when it came for the debit, for the debit thing, because they're very famous. Then I researched that Axis is gonna take over Citibank.
Citibank, yes, yes. And most of the clients you will see for Citibank, they are getting business from the company. Salary account they will open. Salary account they will
Ah.
open, and then they are getting clients from there. But it is hard to capture the pulse of Indian place actually if you are not related, grounded on that actually. That is where they are finding difficult to carry out the business actually. Okay. So these are the other things which I have told to you. Again, I will go to my model once and check how it is working out. This also okay. I was here as per the market capitalization. See, this is I was talking about number of outstanding shares. Okay, so you will go to NSE portal. Here you will type about Reliance. Suppose okay. See, NSE portal is a great link actually.
Yeah.
Financial data if you want to take, you can take from it.
Mm.
Okay. See, you can go to the market tracker and shareholding pattern. Okay, here you will see the founder shares. When we are calculating the market capitalization, we are not bothered about the shares which is holded by the founders of the company.
Yeah.
Because see, they will not sell and buy their share on daily basis. They will hold. These are the public shareholding, okay, which we are bothered about in market capitalization. 49 percentage.
49%
This is
is.
called the number of outstanding shares. If you will see 3,000 30,000 crore actually, it has been holded. 3,000 crores actually shares which has been holded actually. Rest has been holded by the founders. Okay, and Amani and they have hold it. So this is not we are bothered. We are bothered about the public shareholding. Okay,
Yeah.
into the market price. When you will do your market capitalization will come. Okay. So this slide also I am transferring to you. Based on this one only, we are giving you the internal questions. Okay, based on the studies that you are doing. So you can start doing the assignments.
Yeah. Assignments like means what is it? What is it
I
about?
will show you now. There are certain questions which we give actually. When students will attend 3 hours of class, we will
Okay.
give them the assignment to complete. Okay. See, this is the sheet which I have created for you, and I told the backend team to share with you.
Okay.
If they have not shared, kindly ask the drive access, they will give you. Okay, already I have created this file for you. So, see, this assignment, this is a cloud sheet. You have to do the question in the cloud only so that we can track your work. I will track on real time basis as you will do
Mm-hmm.
the complete questions. Then, once I will, review your work. How you have to do? If you are doing this first question, financial planning, you have to make a tab and you have to start doing the questions. See here, don't write any answers. Give me the links where you are putting. Suppose this is, you are creating a tab over here. Okay. Okay. Suppose this is 25 seat, and you want to give me the link over here. Okay. You will put a insert link and then 25. So here I have a link. Now I will go to these links and I can review your work, what you are doing. Hmm? See, practically we want to train you. Theoretically, it is okay. It is fine. But practically, how you have to create a model, that is important. Okay. Now, there is some model called CAPM model that I am teaching you now. Okay, CAPM model, Capital Asset Pricing Model. There is always one question that is asked from the client: how much return I can make? How much return I can make? For mutual fund, you can show them the historical data. Sir, this is the 5 years of return that has been generated by the mutual fund. Average return you can make 10 to 12% based on the 5 years performance. If you are telling a client, okay, you can invest in Reliance stock, he will ask second question: how much return I want to make? How much return I want to make? I can make. Then you ask him a question: what is his expectations? Some people will tell, I want 1% percentage of return after 1 year. Okay, you listen and then you calculate in front of him only. Sir, I will calculate because see, this is all a guesswork. We don't believe in guesswork. I will calculate in front of you. Then I will show you one sheet in CAPM model. You can calculate. Okay. Name any one equity share in which you want to purchase.
Equity share. Reliance only we can take. No?
Reliance. Okay. I am asking this question: how much return you want to make?
Around 20%.
20%. Let's calculate. Whenever we want to invest,
20% as in long term.
no, I am taking in 1 year.
Okay, yeah, 20%.
20%. Okay. See, whenever you have money, we have different options. Okay. First option is what we have different ventures in which we can put. First is equity. Second is fixed deposit. Suppose fixed deposit is a risk-free rate of return. We'll compare. If equity will give me 4% of return,
Yeah.
then what is the use of coming over here? Because I can go in fixed deposit
Yeah.
and I can put and I can earn 5.5 or 5.9% of return per year in fixed deposit. Why I will come out? This is a risk actually. But this is an option with us actually. Okay, risk-free return. So risk-free return, RFR, huh? Risk-free interest or return which I am earning. First thing, I should have a base. If I am not putting in equity, I have other option for fixed deposit. I will put over here. That is the base I am taking 5.5%. Okay. Second thing is that here I am taking a risk, so I need a premium. If suppose fixed deposit is giving me 5.5% of return, this is a financial world. Here there are certain kind of base or assumption that we'll take. See, base bracket is starting from 10% premium. If I am getting 5.5% return in fixed deposit, at least I should get 10% return. Huh, at least I should get 10% more return actually. See, the lower bracket will start from 10%, upper will go till 40%. See, this is a realistic bracket. We are not going till 1,000%. Bracket should be realistic.
Yeah.
10% to 40%. Either of the slab you can choose. It means how much more return you want apart from the fixed deposit. Because fixed deposit return to it is coming.
Yeah.
How much extra you need? This bracket we should be aware of. Huh? And third thing, beta we should aware of. It means volatility.
Yeah.
Okay, of the security. Chalo, now it is a time to take break. Take a break for 20 25 minutes and then we'll come back. Fresh your mind and then come back. Hmm?